I just finished a 20-minute session with the air compression recovery system by QUINEAR. And I mean, look at it. I have it here. I just took it off. It felt incredible. And I mean, I was really surprised that it could do that kind of compression job, kind of pressure. The massage was complete from feet all the way to my upper thigh. So yeah, my whole leg fit in one of these. It was incredible. You have to use both at the same time, but if you don't if you just want to do one leg at a time, you still have to connect both because both need to be connected. Now, what is connected here? This is what I'm talking about. So this is really cool. The air hose is what is basically connected to the brains, and the brains of this machine is here. It's this remote control connected, obviously, as an outlet. It needs power, and we're just going to connect the air hose, and this is the pump, but also the selector. So you have 8 different intensities, 2 different modes. It's absolutely incredible. And check this out. It goes from 50 to 120 millimeters of mercury. That's your pressure. So I just did it at 120, and wow, it it did everything that I needed it to do. I have terrible circulation on my legs. My feet are usually always cold, and this really felt like it helped a lot. I can imagine if you're a runner, if you're an athlete, and you need to recover quickly, this will definitely do the job. It's really, it has this calming effect as well. And as you can see, right now it's blinking on the foot. And look at this. The foot is the one that's getting compressed right now. And it will do this in a sequence because I'm in the sequence mode. And then we'll go foot, calf, around my knee area, and all the way to your upper thigh, which is pretty cool. And it also has a timer, a 20-minute, a 25-minute, and a 35-minute timer that you can select right here. You can hear the pump going on and on. It's feels incredible. And the coolest thing, the coolest thing is the massage itself. But what I really like is the fact that they thought of everything and they give you this bag to carry it, to store it, because you don't want this laying around. This is something you'll be using quite often, and maybe not just in your home, but maybe at the office or maybe at the gym. It's a fantastic tool. I can't wait to use it even more. They do recommend to keep it at a 30-minute max per day. So I got 10 minutes left on my 20-minute from before. I think I'm gonna slip back into this baby. It's awesome. From QUINEAR, the air compression recovery system.